going to explain how to use did in sentences. First one, how much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? We use did. Did is a past verb of do. Past verb of past form of the verb do, like irregular verb do. And when we want to use in the past time, that time it will become did. And past participle done. Here, how much money did you spend? This means that opposite person to whom this person is asking, this person wanted to know about how much money that person spent. This action happened in the past, so already finished. Simple past tense, that time we use. So this person wanted to know how much money that someone spent to buy something, or it can be anything, but already that person spent some money to do things. So this person is asking, how much money did you spend? This action happened in the past and which is finished. So that person spent some money, and how much money that person spent. This person wanted to know about that other person. And next one, what did they buy at the shop? What did they buy? Here also, here they means it can be two or more than two person. That time two persons. That time we use they, which is plural form, like two per. When the person is singular, that time we say he, she. Plural means they, like one person, like two person, two or more than two. That time we use they. Here, what did they buy? This means they already bought something from at the shop. So this person wanted to know what did they purchase it? What they purchased at the shop. So this action happened in the past, finished, simple past tense. So when we want to ask question, that time we use did to talk about past actions. That time we usually use did. What did they buy? What they purchased? This action already, these people went to the shop and they bought something at the shop. So this person wanted to know what things that people bought at that shop. So that time when we ask question, we ask like this, what did they buy? What did this action happened at the shop? So whenever we use did, we have to use present verb like buy. We should not use buy like bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. It will become wrong whenever we use did. So that time we should use present verb, first verb. Buy. What did they buy at the shop? And the next one, he did nothing. He did nothing but cry all day. He did nothing but cry all day means maybe baby or any. It can be anybody, but yeah, he means that person. So this person did not do anything except crying. He was crying all day. Whole day he was crying. He did nothing. He did not do anything. Just he was crying all day. All day he was, all the time he was crying. All day he was crying. But he did not do anything. He did not do anything, but he was crying all day. That is what it means. And next one, he did not know what to say. He did not know what to say. So this action happened in the past. Simple past tense. So when someone asked about something, so this person that time, in the past time, didn't know what to say. So this action happened in the past time, past event. So he didn't know what to say. That is what it means. So he didn't say anything. He did not say anything because he did not know what to say. So he kept quiet, it seems. That is what it means. He didn't know. He did not know. Here also, which is in negative form. Did not. And present verb no. So whenever we use did, we have to use present verb no, not a new, no. Then it will become wrong. We have to, whenever we use did that time, this we have to use present form, present verb no. He did not know what to say. All the players did their best as much as they can. They performed. That is how they did. That is how they played. That is what it means. All the players did their best, the best they can during the games or sports that time. They did their best. The best they can. We usually say the best we can do. The best we could do. That is what we say. All the players did their best. Good. Then best is more excellent. Excellent. All players did very well. Best. Excellent. That is what it means. And here players means more than one person. So in the usually team games means there are usually 2 teams. So each team contains some players. That's why here it has written players means plural form. Number of some people usually there in that group. So all the players did their best. John did well in his studies. John did well in his studies. So in his studies, he did well. Means in the past time. He studied well. That is what it means. He studied well, and maybe he get good score. He might get good score if he did well in his studies. So usually when we study well and during exams, we write very well, and after that we'll get good score. And that is how we say that in that situation we use. So here John did well in his studies means he might have get good marks and high score, like in the ranking. So we can, it depends how well that person studied. It depends on each person, how they perform during their exams. That is how they get marks. So here John did well in his studies. And next one, Mary did not say anything. Mary did not say anything. So here it has become negative, like she didn't say anything. About what? Don't know, but Mary did not say anything. In the past time, she didn't say anything. This all actions happened in the past time. Past tense, simple past tense. Did you receive my letter? Did you receive my letter? When you write letter to someone, and after that, when you meet, when you need to talk that person, that time we usually ask whether we have to confirm to clarify like whether that that person received or not. That time we ask, did you receive my letter? Whether that person received or not. To whom this person sent. So he wanted to know whether that person received his letter or not. So that time we use, did you receive my letter? In the past action, like he sent previous day. So maybe he is asking today, did you receive my letter? Did you, or yesterday, like it can be any time. But in the past action, that person asked about this question, did you receive my letter? So if that person received, he say like, yes, I have received. Yes, I received. No, I didn't receive. That is how we get answer. No, I did not receive. Yes, I received. That is how we say. Yes, I have received. No, I didn't receive. And next one, he did just opposite. He did just opposite. Here don't know what this person is talking about. But something this person did opposite. If the things are good, then he might have done opposite. If the things are bad, then he might have done good. That is how we can consider here. He did just opposite. And next one, did he say anything? Did he say anything? This one is interrogative. Someone is asking about other person, third person. Did he say anything? Wanted to know. So what the person said or not. Did he say anything? In the past time, did he say anything about some matter or something? So this person wanted to know whether he said or not. Did he say anything? And next one, did you know? Did you know? This means something. Usually, do you know means that is present time. Present tense, that time we use do you know. Means regularly. If you want to ask that time, generally we ask that way. But this is in past action. Did you know means about something that person had know about that thing. That is what it means. Did you know? Did you know about that incident? That is how we say. Did you know about that? Did you know about that person? Did you know about... it can be anything. But this action happened in the past. So when you get to know about something, whether that person already know in the past time, already know about that thing. So that is where we use. Did you know? Did you study? Did you study? For exams and all we usually study. So whether this person studied or not, already studied or not for the exams. Did you study? If this person studied, then he will say, yes, I have studied. Yes, I did study. That is how we can answer. Here, this person wanted to know, did you study? This action, simple past tense. So already someone asked and finished action. And next one, I did it myself. I did it myself on your own. You did something. That is where we use. You didn't take anyone's help, and on your own. Like sometimes we also do on our own. So that is how. Myself means you didn't get anyone's help and you did it on your own. That is what it means. I did it myself. I did it myself. This action happened in the past. Finished. I did something in the morning. I did this thing. So finished. Did I study? Did I study? That person asking himself, did I study or what? Whether this person forgotten the past time, so he is getting, he wants to know, he wanted to know, he wanted to clarify whether this person studied or what. Sometimes we also ask ourselves, did I go that shop, did I bring this thing? That is how usually we ask ourselves. So here also, did I study? So if someone is there with this person, he might have clarify his question. And next one, he did study. See here, he did study. Yes, he did. Study means he studied. He studied. And next one, I did not eat. I did not eat. This person didn't take any food, so he did not eat. In the past time, he did not eat, but now he had his food. But in the past time, he didn't eat. In the past time, past action, did not. And next one, he did not study. He did not study means he did not take his book and he did not read his book. That is what it means. He did not study in the past time. Maybe he has studied now. But in the past time, in the past action, he did study. That is what it means. And next one, we did our work. We did our work. So here, this we means plural form. So these people did some work. That is what it means. What work these people got, don't know, but that task these people completed in the past action. And next one, when did you buy it? When did you buy it? Something is asking. When did you? This person wanted to know when. Like date and all, he wanted to know. When did you buy something? Already purchased. So he wanted to know when that person bought. Date or time. Which day? So that is what. When. And next one, how long did you stay? How long did you stay? So duration. Someone was staying in some place. So this person wanted to know how long that person was living in that place. This action completed. This action happened in the past. Now that person is not in that place. He did not live in that place. So this action finished. So he is asking, how long did you stay in that place? Which place don't know, but he wanted to know about other person, how long. And next one, how did you solve this? How did you solve this? This problem already solved, and he wanted to know how that person solved. That time we ask, how did you solve this problem? What method that other person used to solve this problem? How did you solve? So these are all, this is how we ask, this is how we use did. So I hope you understand this all sentences. Like do is present verb and did past tense. Past participle is done. And did is also auxiliary verb. So I hope you understand this all. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now.